upbeat music playing. Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two titans. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo on the left side of your screen and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE on the right. Get ready for a no-holds-barred, hilarious, and downright controversial comparison. Let's print some truth. Alright, let's start with the elephant in the room, the price. The Kobra 2 Neo comes in at a cool $239. Meanwhile, the Ender 3v3 SE is slightly cheaper at $219. So if you're looking to save that extra $20 for a celebratory pizza after your first successful print, the Ender 3v3 SE is your go-to. But hey, if you're feeling a bit bougie, the Kobra 2 Neo is still pretty affordable. Speed demons, listen up. The Kobra 2 Neo promises a 5x high-speed experience with a max print speed of 250 millimeters per second. But hold on to your hats, the Ender 3v3 SE matches that with its own 250 millimeters per second speed and a turbo-boosted 2,500 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's like comparing a sports car to another sports car. Both are fast, but one might just leave your other printer in the dust with a fancy drift. Next up, let's talk about the extruders, the heart of any 3D printer. The Kobra 2 Neo features a new integrated extruder with a 60W hot end and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. It's like the printer equivalent of a turbocharged engine with a built-in AC unit. Meanwhile, the Ender 3v3 SE boasts the Sprite Direct Extruder, known for its powerful pushing force and lightweight design. It's like the printer version of a bodybuilder who's also a ballerina. Both systems are impressive, but if you like your filaments melted and molded faster than your morning coffee, the Kobra 2 Neo might have the edge. Now, let's talk about something we all love: convenience. The Kobra 2 Neo comes with LeviQ 2.0, automatic leveling, making it a breeze for even the clumsiest of us to get started. But wait, the Ender 3v3 SE fires back with its CR Touch auto leveling and strain sensor for auto Z-offset. It's like having a personal assistant who does all the hard work for you. And did I mention the Ender 3v3 SE only takes 20 minutes to assemble? That's less time than it takes to binge watch an episode of your favorite show. Stability is key, folks. The Kobra 2 Neo uses linear propulsion and input shaping to reduce spillage and print resonance. This means smoother and clearer model details. However, the Ender 3v3 SE comes swinging with dual Z-axis lead screws and Y-axis linear shafts. It's like comparing a tightrope walker to a gymnast. Both are stable, but one is just a tad more impressive. Finally, let's talk customer service. The Kobra 2 Neo offers a 1-year after-service with lifetime technical support. The Ender 3v3 SE isn't slacking either, providing a 12-month after-sales service. Both companies have got your back, but remember, the Kobra 2 Neo's printhead is warranted for only 3 months, while the Ender 3v3 SE promises quick responses within 24 hours. So, if you like fast replies, the Ender 3v3 SE might just be your new best friend. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo impresses with its high-speed printing, precision, and robust build quality, making it a favorite among experienced users and beginners. However, some users have reported issues with network detection and reliability. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is praised for its ease of use, print quality, and value for money, though it has faced criticisms regarding software issues and occasional hardware failures. And there you have it, folks. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo versus the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a battle of 3D printing giants. Both printers have their strengths, so it really comes down to what you value more. Speed, stability, customer support, or maybe just saving a few bucks. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy printing! Upbeat music playing end screen with channel logo and subscribe button. Product links are in the description.